Hello students, this is another question from matrices and determinants asked in JEE Main July 2021. See, this question is from July 20th, 2021. So, third attempt, first day, second shift question from matrices and determinants. The question is very easy and it is actually formula based conceptual question from matrices and determinants. Have a look. First of all, this is the problem. A matrix A is given as AG 3 by 3. That in the sense, matrix A is a 3 by 3 matrix. And the elements of the matrix are defined by this particular definition. For I is equals to J, element is 2. For I less than J, use this minus 1 to the power J minus I. For I greater than J, use this minus 1 to the power I plus J. Okay. Then the question is about finding the determinant of 3 times the adjoint of 2A inverse. So to solve this problem, see, these are the concepts of matrices and determinants which involved to solve this problem. The first thing is construction of matrix. Using this definition, we need to construct matrix A first. And then, see, we need to use the way of finding determinant also. Okay, I think you are all very good at finding determinants, and we need to use these two determinant properties also in finding or in solving this problem. Okay, so determinant of some constant into matrix M is K cube into determinant of M if M is of order 3 by 3. And another thing is determinant of adjoint of a matrix is determinant of that matrix square if that matrix is of order 3 by 3. See, these concepts we need to use in this particular problem. I think all these concepts are very well known for all of you, because usually in each and every practice sheet, in each and every material, you will face different problems on determinants using these properties. Now, first thing, we need to construct matrix A. This is the definition. So A is equals to, this A is of order 3 by 3. Okay, what I have to do? I need to fill these places using that definition. I think you all know it. Okay, I is equals to J in the sense of row and column are equal. So this is A11, this is A22, this is A33. So I is equals to J means these three elements are 2, 2, 2, 2. And then I less than J. So this is 1, 2. So I less than J. This is 1, 3. I less than J. This is 2, 3. I less than J. Second row, third column. Okay. So minus 1 to the power J minus I. So this is 1 to right. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this position is minus 1. And this is 1, 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So minus 1 power 2 is 1. And coming to here, this position is 2, 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is minus 1. And then for minus 1 to the power I plus j, we need to use I greater than j. So this position is second row, first column, 2, 1. 2 greater than 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this element is minus 1. And this is third row, first column, 3, 1. 3 greater than 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. This position is 1. And this is 3, 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Again it is 5. So this is matrix A. After having matrix A, we need to find its determinant. What to say about determinant of matrix A? It is easy to find, right? So 2 into, use these 4 elements. 2 2s is 4. Minus 1 is 3. Minus of minus plus 1 into, concentrate on these 4 elements. Minus 2. Minus of minus plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. And then plus 1 into, think about these 4 elements. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is again minus 1. And this is equals to 6 minus 1 minus 1, 6 minus 2, and that is equals to 4. So finally determinant of A is equals to 4. Right. And the next thing is, we need to find this one. Determinant of 3 adjoint of 2A inverse. Okay. First of all, you just try to write this constant out. So for that, we need to use this property. So what I am going to write now is determinant of 3 adjoint of 2A inverse. First of all, you just write this 3 out. Then by this law, this is 3 cube into determinant of adjoint of 2A inverse. See, adjoint of 2A inverse, the adjoint of a matrix is simply that matrix power 2. So that matrix is what? 2A inverse power 2. And now just think about determinant of 2A inverse. Again, 2 is a constant. You just write it out, then it becomes 2 cube. So this is nothing but, this is equals to 27 into 2 cube into determinant of A inverse is 1 by det A and this to the power 2. So determinant of 2A inverse is 2 cube into 1 by det A. And det A is 4 we have, replace it with 4. And now this is equals to 27 into 8 into 1 by 4 whole square. And if you simplify, this is 2, 2 square is 4, 4 into 27 is 108, and your answer for this problem is 108. Okay, very simple. Okay, if you are very good at these properties, then it is easy to complete this problem in a given time of 2 minutes, okay, approximately, right? And I rate this problem as a moderate problem, right? And this is a conceptual problem. Have a look, and I will come with some other problems of JEE Mains July 2021. Okay, and one more thing, do share this for your friends and don't forget to subscribe for this channel.